Toyota is about to turn the 2027 Tundra into a completely different truck, with a factory-built Raptor fighter, a full overlanding trim, and a mid-cycle refresh that makes the 2026 model look like a placeholder. If you're sitting on a truck purchase right now and wondering whether to pull the trigger, what Toyota has planned for 2027 is exactly the kind of update that makes waiting the smarter financial decision. Most people assume Toyota plays it safe and delivers minor changes, but the 2027 Tundra is arriving with 7 updates that will make the competition genuinely nervous. Number 7. TRD Hammer is coming. The full-size truck segment has had one performance benchmark that nobody else has seriously challenged. The Ford F-150 Raptor has owned that space for years. Toyota has watched from the sidelines with the TRD Pro, a capable truck, but not a true answer. That is about to change. Toyota has filed a trademark for the name TRD Hammer. Right after that filing, spy photographers caught a Tundra prototype in testing. The differences from a standard truck were impossible to miss. Significantly wider front and rear fenders, steel bumpers at both ends, and unfamiliar vents integrated into the bodywork. The tires measured approximately 37 inches, the same size the Raptor runs. The front suspension showed heavier lower control arms, consistent with a long travel setup built for high-speed off-road performance. Think about what it has meant to be a Toyota truck buyer wanting the most extreme off-road performance available. The TRD Pro is solid, but line it up against the Raptor on a desert run and the gap is obvious. That's the problem the TRD Hammer is being built to solve. Toyota hasn't confirmed powertrain specs, but the hardware in these photos makes one thing clear. This is not a styling package. It's Toyota finally committing to a proper performance off-roader that can stand in the same conversation as the Raptor R and the Ram SRT TRX. And while the TRD Hammer is going after performance buyers, the 2027 Tundra is also getting a new face, one that has been overdue for longer than Toyota probably wants to admit. Number 6. Updated look. By the time the 2027 model arrives, the current Tundra generation will be entering its 5th model year. The sheet metal is familiar, the front end has been on road since 2022. A mid-cycle refresh is exactly what this truck needs, and that's exactly what Toyota is delivering. The updates are concentrating where they matter most, up front. A redesigned front fascia, revised lighting, and a grille treatment aligned with Toyota's current design direction are all expected. These aren't changes for the sake of change. They're closing the visual gap that has grown between the Tundra and fresher competitors. The 2027 version is going to carry the kind of presence the current model should have had from the start. The underlying structure stays, the visual impression gets meaningfully sharper. But a fresh face is only part of the story because one of the most anticipated 2027 editions has nothing to do with styling and everything to do with where this truck is going off the road. Number 5. Trail Hunter is coming. The Trail Hunter formula has already made its case on the Tacoma and the 4Runner. Factory-engineered overlanding capability, not dealer-added accessories, not aftermarket modifications, arriving from the production line fully integrated and warranty covered. Now that philosophy is heading to the full-size segment, most truck buyers who take their vehicles off the pavement know what the build process actually costs. A stock truck leaves the lot. Then come months of sourcing. Shocks from one supplier, bumpers from another, a bed rack from a third, tires on back order. By the time the build is complete, the investment in accessories often rivals a full trim upgrade, and none of it carries factory warranty protection. The Tundra Trail Hunter is being built to make that process unnecessary. Expected equipment mirrors the Tacoma's proven setup. Old Man Emu 2.5-inch forged monotube shocks, ARB-sourced high-clearance steel bumpers and rock rails, an integrated bed rack, high-mount air intake, and 33-inch Toyo all-terrain tires on 18-inch bronze-finished wheels. The Trail Hunter is about to run the iForce Max Hybrid as standard, 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque at just 2,400 revolutions per minute. At low trail speeds, that instant pull is one of the most useful tools available. No other full-size truck is arriving from the factory with this combination of overlanding hardware and hybrid power. That powertrain is impressive, but it wasn't always a sure thing, and what Toyota did to fix it is exactly why 2027 is a safer buy than 2022 ever was. Number 4. Engine fixes. The 2022 launch of the current Tundra generation did not go smoothly. A machining defect in early production left debris inside the twin-turbo V6, leading to a large-scale recall and raising legitimate questions about long-term reliability. For buyers making a significant investment, that history was a reasonable concern. Toyota has spent the years since actively working through it. Multiple production cycles have refined both the iForce 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 and the iForce Max hybrid system, with measurable improvements at each stage. The 2027 model carries carries these now-proven powertrains forward, with industry sources pointing toward possible output improvements on the hybrid variant beyond the current 437 horsepower rating. The gas-only version, 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, continues as the accessible choice across entry-level trims. By 2027, this will be a powertrain with 5 years of accumulated development behind it. That track record is worth waiting for. A reliable engine matters enormously, but so does where you're sitting while it runs, and the 2027 interior is getting updates that make every drive noticeably better. Number 3. Modern interior. The Tundra's cabin does not get enough credit. A 14-inch touchscreen standard on hybrid trims, well-placed physical controls, and genuinely premium materials at upper levels give this interior a quality that holds up well against segment competition. The storage solutions are practical and generously sized. The center console alone offers more usable space than most rivals in this class. The 2027 refresh is not going to overhaul this, and that's a good thing. The changes will be targeted. Material upgrades in specific areas, improved interior organization, and refinements to premium trims like the Capstone and 1794 edition, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a JBL premium audio option, and a sharp responsive display are all carrying forward. The 2027 version will feel like an upgrade without feeling unfamiliar. The interior improvements are real, but the next update is the one that protects you when the road stops cooperating, and it's getting a significant step forward. Number 2. Latest safety features. This update will also bring the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite across all trim levels. Forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring. These are not optional packages. They are standard equipment on every single Tundra. Spend enough hours on the highway and the value becomes concrete. Maintaining safe following distance on a long drive, staying centered during a moment of distraction, catching a vehicle in your blind spot while changing lanes. These situations happen to real drivers on routine trips. Technology that handles them consistently is not a luxury. It's a working protection. The 2027 refresh is going to bring a next-generation Safety Sense suite with improved camera and radar hardware, a wider detection field, and sharper automated responses, particularly during towing. Blind spot and cross-traffic systems are specifically expected to receive enhanced calibration. On a truck already leading the segment in standard safety content, that's raising an already strong bar. The updated safety technology is a strong reason on its own, but the number one reason on this list is something you feel on every single drive, and it's something most of the competition still hasn't figured out how to match. Number 1. Comfortable ride. There is a straightforward reason most full-size trucks ride poorly with an empty bed. Leaf spring rear suspension is engineered around load bearing, not passenger comfort. The F-150, Silverado, and Sierra all rely on this setup. Most buyers simply accept the discomfort as part of owning a truck. Here's what rarely gets said plainly. Most truck owners are driving empty. Most of the time. Commutes, errands, weekend trips. The bed is empty and the leaf springs are working against the ride on every single one. That's a daily tax on comfort that no amount of suspension tuning can fully overcome. The Tundra uses coil spring rear suspension and the difference is substantial. Without cargo in the bed, this truck absorbs road imperfections with a composure that leaf spring rivals simply cannot match. Independent evaluations have consistently placed Tundra ride quality above segment norms, offering smoothness more commonly associated with large SUVs than work trucks. The 2027 refresh is expected to refine suspension geometry and damper calibration further. The competition is still asking buyers to accept a compromise. The 2027 Toyota Tundra is not, and that alone is worth waiting for. The 2027 Toyota Tundra is shaping up to be the most complete version of this truck since the current generation launched. The TRD Hammer is finally giving performance buyers a credible Toyota alternative to the Raptor. The Trailhunter is delivering factory overlanding equipment that no full-size rival is currently offering. The exterior refresh closes a visual gap competitors have been exploiting for years. The interior holds its own against class leaders, and the safety suite is getting sharper when driver protection matters more than ever. If your current truck still has time left in it, this is one of those rare cases where patience is clearly the right call. Now, Tundra isn't the only full-size truck coming with big updates for the next year. If you want to see what the competition is preparing, make sure to check out our video about the reasons to wait for the 2027 GMC Sierra. Completely redesigned with next-generation V8 engines, this truck is shaping up to become the most natural choice in the segment.